Hey, Learning Leopards. Today is Wednesday. It is May 13th, and it is time for sound work. All right, let's get started on our rhymes. Here we go. The rhyme today is ale, thinking of words that end in ale. Sail, tail, whale, pale, rail. We talked about whale the other day, and we also talked about pail, where Jack and Jill went to fetch or get a pail of water. All right, we're going to do beginning sounds. I say the word, you say the word. We say the first sound together. Here we go. Easy, easy, e. Yellow, yellow, y. Tulips, tulips, t. Useful, useful, u. Able, able, a. Nature, nature, n. Excellent. Saying the sounds, blending them together. Here we go. Soon, soon. Rise, rise. Cap, cap. Nose, nose. Ale, whale. Team, team. Rake, rake. In, thin. Boot, boot. Less, less. Nice job. Riding our roller coaster, saying the beginning sound. Here we go. Cope, cope. Ope, o. Mice, mice. Ice, I. Laid, laid. Laid, a. Thin, thin. In, I. Keep, keep. Keep, e. Cap, cap. App, a. Zoom, zoom. Zoom, ooh. All right, get your choppers out. Here we go. I'll say the word. We'll say the word together, and then we'll break it up into pieces. Here we go. Fame, fame. Aim. Coat, coat. Oat. Lamb, lamb. Lamb. Well, well. Well. Seek, seek. Seek. Loop, loop. Loop. Cube, cube. Cube. Right, right. Right. Gain, gain. Gain. Joke, joke. Joke. Excellent. All right, I'm going to give you the rhyme or the ending part, and then I'll tell you the onset or the beginning part. We'll put them together, see what words we come up with. Here we go. You ready? Of, add l, love. Ek, add n, neck. Eight, add d, date. Ope, add s, soap. Ed, add r, red. All right, here we go. Now I'm going to take that first part off. Rope, rope without r is ope. Man, man without m is an. Pig, pig without p is ig. Vice, vice without v is ice. Dune, dune without d is oon. Excellent. Okay, this time we're going to change that beginning sound. Lead, lead, change l to r, read. Full, full, change f to p, pool. Same, same, change s to g, game. File, file, change f to p, pile. Wove, wove, change w to k, cove. Excellent job. All right, let's do our letters and sounds. Here we go. We're going to say the letter or letters and then the sounds right afterward. Here we go. Ready? Letter F, sound f. Letter H, sound h. Letter P, sound p, p, p. Letter B, sound b, b, b. Letter V sound V. Letter U sound Second sound U. Letter O sound Second sound O. Letter W sound W. Letter L sound L. Letter I sound I. Second sound I. Letter Z sound Z. Letter M sound M. Letter A sound A. Second sound A. Letter E sound E. Second sound E. Letter D sound D. Letters WH sound W. Letter T sound T. Letter C sound K. Letters CH sound ch. Letter S sound S. Letter Y sound Y. Can also say E or I. Letter G sound G. Second sound J. Letter Q sound Qu. Letter N sound N. Letter J sound J. Letters TH sound Th. Letter R sound R. Letter K sound K. Letter X sound X. Second sound Z. Letters SH sound sh. Excellent. Okay, today we're going to talk about new parts of words to figure out some words that are in our poem. We've talked about lots of parts of words. CK says k, ILL says ill. It's okay if you're not remembering all of those. We're just showing them to you so you can practice using the strategy of looking for parts you know. But it's okay if you can't remember all of those parts. There are lots of parts of words like vowel teams that you're going to learn and different things. And that's okay if you're not remembering them yet. We're just showing you so that you can practice your strategy. Okay. So today the part I want to show you, these two letters that say ow. Ow. When O and W are together, they say ow. Okay. So now I'm going to do this. All right, here we go. Say the parts, blend them together. Down. Down. This is the word down. What if I take off the d and I add r, own, round? It's not really a word, but if I do this, k, own, crown. So today we're going to look for the word crown and we're going to look for the word down. All right, here you go. Take a look at our poem and see if you can find crown and down. Yep, I found one. I see this OW. I know that says ow. Down. And here's the word crown with that OW. So these are some of the parts that we've learned this week. CK says k, ILL, ill. So ill. A and I we talked about says a, and ow and ow. And like I said, it's okay if you don't remember those. All right, here we go. Jack and Jill. Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Jack fell down and broke his crown. Okay, let's try it one more time. Jack and Jill. Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Jack fell down and broke his crown. Nice job with your sound work today. See you tomorrow.